peppers on you. Don't want can somebody take me other thing going to do. Light it up and we smoke. Keep me high up off the ground. In a haze, in the crowd.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Cah Sausage channel. I hope you enjoyed this long holiday. The sadly thing is in this holiday we can't see each other, but I had more time to explore my other ability, eating. Hahaha. In this video, I will cook onion sausage. You can try this at home. I hope you like it. It's easy and also cheap. All we need is 10 sausage, onions. I use shallot. It's supposed to be onion, bawang bombay, but we don't have it. Due to this COVID-19, we just eat all that we have and forget the things that we don't have. My parents buy groceries once a week, sometimes more, so I learned to improve the recipe. At this first, I'm going to fry the sausage and wait until the sausage blows and fat. Take it and set aside. Stir the shallot, put masako, soy sauce, taste it. The taste should be salty and sweet. And if you use onion, bawang bombay, the onion, you can taste the sweetness and the juiciness when you bite the onion. Put the fried sausage and stir it well. Serve it. Ta-da! Now you have a plate of onion and sausage. The total cost of this is only 15,000 rupiah. I hope you enjoy it. Stay safe.